Nail technician, ayan. Para sa akin, dapat sa work, everyone should in. Para sa akin, enjoy. Pag di ka nag-enjoy, boring. Sabi nga ni Manny Pacquiao dun sa kanta, thank you very much, I enjoy my song, and I dedicate it to myself, and I really, really like it. You don't have a choice. And sometimes, we need touch. Sabi ni Aling Julie siya, thank you very much. Okay, sige na. Okay. Ito, very important to. Babalikan natin. Why are we here? Sino na yung mga 10 years dito na nagtatrabaho? Lilugat na. Ha? Sino na? 8 pa lang. 8. Oh, sige. Alam niyo ba yung vision ng inyong company? Sige nga. O, hindi ko na kayo tatanungin. Baka sa ulo niyo ba? Alam niyo, yun na lang dapat yun sa uluhin. Yung dalawang vision and mission niyo. Yan, kasi yun yung pupuntahan natin. Kaya tayo lumalaki. Dahil we have a great vision. No, hindi ko lang masa ulo kasi nandun sa... Dapat kasi nandun yan. Hindi ko mabasa. Anyway, like me, I have a vision. My vision is to make the Philippines the center of voiceover excellence in Asia. As you know, I am the man behind 1,000 voices. Why? Lahat ng bagong DJ, broadcaster na bata at mga dubber sa akin ang galing. So yung mga narinig nyo yan sa telenovela, sa IFM, YesFM, Love Radio, mga nag-training sa akin yan. For 10 years, magkasingidad lang yung company natin halos. Ayan. Sample ka agad? Siguro yan. Who is the voice master? Sino po ako? Ayan. Share ko lang sa inyo. Isa po akong positive social change advocate. Nag-aral po ako sa iba't ibang bansa at ako ay naging representative ng iba't ibang mga conferences sa mga kabataan. And I'm a global citizen and I've been traveling a lot, no? Isa po sa mga advocacy ko is to bring the greatness inside. Ako kasi naniniwala ako, wala akong kilala sa inyo kahit isa. But there's greatness inside of everyone. Tama ba? May mga talents and skills tayo na hindi pa natin nagagamit. So, huwag natin sayangin yan. I'm a traveler. I travel with a purpose. So, every time I travel, nag-speak ako. May ginagawa akong mga documentaries and everything. So, I've traveled the world literally. So, this is just part of mga pinuntahan ko. Sino po sa inyo may Twitter? Ang mga ganyan? Instagram? Meron ba kayo? Oo. Kung meron kayo, add nyo ako, Puchology. Ayan. And I'm proud to say that I'm a public school product. Sino ba yung mga nag-aaral sa public school dito? Ayan. Swerte nyo, hindi ka nagbayad ng tuition, no? And yan, sa UP rin po ako nagtapos. Bibisa ko na lang, no? At age of 19, I graduated at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. So, I also have a master's in UP, and I'm a very, very proud Filipino. Are you proud to be Filipino?
Yes!
Oh, very good. Sabi mo nga, I'm proud to be Filipino.
I'm proud to be
Very good. You know, I have a story. Kasi alam nyo, si Rizal is my idol, no? He has more than 40 monuments around the world. Hindi natin alam na marami pala siyang mga monuments aside from the Philippines, which has 4,000 monuments. And so far, I have 150 monuments of Rizal around the country because I've been traveling and I'm writing a book about Rizal. Ang title niya, Conversations with Rizal. So, what if si Rizal nabuhay ngayong panahon na to? Ano kayang kasabihin niya? You know, the good thing about Rizal, imagine mo, 100 years ago, he did this and he did that. For example, he wrote a book without internet, laptop, or even ball pen. Ang pluma yung gamit niya. Anong wala si Rizal na meron tayo ngayon? Aside from internet and computer. Freedom. Tama? Kasi wala namang freedom noon si Rizal. And he traveled the world thrice. 3 beses naglibot sa buong mundo si Rizal kahit wala siyang pera. You know, I'm an advocate of being Rizal on our own right. I believe that everyone has a Rizal. Because Rizal is an epitome of greatness and excellence as a Filipino. So, bilang isang NT ng Nailaholics, you are already excellent in what you are doing. Kaya nga kayo lumaki, kaya kayo naging world class. Palakpakan niyo po ang mga sarili ninyo. At ako naniniwala, this brand will be international. Sino naniniwala? Taas ang kamay. And I can see, sir, in the next 5 years, you will have more than 1,000. Literally, 1,000 na mga, NT. NT naman, huwag naman branches. Masyado There you have 1,000. Bakit? Because we are now in ASEAN Integration 2015. It started last year, tama? That's the reason why I'm being invited in many countries. Kasi nga, Parang kumbaga, European Union na tayo. Parang United States of America. Alam niyo, America, hindi naman isang bansa lang. It's a states, iba-ibang state yan na naging isang bansa. Ganun din tayo ngayon. And nakikita ko ang Pilipinas, paakyat ng paakyat. And one of the brand na nakikita kong lalaki is your company. Especially the R2 group of companies. Palakpakan po natin ang company natin. Alright. So, bibilisan ko lang po ito para doon na tayo. Hindi ko napapakita yung video ng company ko. Although, may idea na kayo. I'm doing a lot of mga voice-over work. I've produced literally thousands of commercials. Mamaya marinig yung ilan sa mga commercials na ginawa ko. We are world-class. Why? Because we have done literally hundreds of computer games, animation. Alam niyo ba yung mga computer game, pumunta kayo ng time zone, most of the games there are being voiced by Filipino and directed by yours truly.
Wow.
Ayan. Ito po yung basta I was featured 100 times also in different TV and radio. Even Chris Aquino, Boy Abunda,